In D2L Brightspace, you have the option to customize your course modules with a number of different file templates. One of the benefits of using these templates is that your information and content will be more organized, and it will be easier for students to navigate through your course. To view these templates, you will need to log into Brightspace and go to your course. Click on Content, and you will be brought to where all of your modules are located. To create a new module, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and in the text area that says Add a Module, type in the name of the module. To view the templates, click on your module, scroll to the top of the module, and click on Upload Create. From the drop-down menu, click Create a File. On the next page, type in the title that you want to give the file. To the right of the title, you will see a drop-down menu titled Select a Document Template. Click on it, and below you will see all the different templates offered for your course module. Each template comes with a banner image, headings, and text area bodies that you can alter. In addition, the text in each template contains instructions of what each area is, recommended sizes for images, and how to incorporate your own text into it. Let us briefly examine each of the templates offered by Brightspace. The first template, Blank, is a bare-bones template in which you are given a banner image, a title, and a place to add content. The second template, Intro, gives you a banner, a course title, and a course description to add. This is a good option for an introduction page to your course. The third template, Module Intro, gives you the same elements, but it is more designed to be used as an intro for a module. The fourth template, Meet Your Facilitator, is a profile page where you can display your image, your bio, your contact information, and your office hours. The fifth template, Basic Page, is a general-purpose layout with areas to add and edit text. The sixth template, Video Lecture, is another general-purpose layout, only this one includes an embed YouTube video frame if you wish to include videos in your module. The seventh template, Conclusion, is similar in layout style to Introduction, only it is used as a conclusion statement for your course. The eighth template, Elements, offers items and layouts to copy and paste with other pages, such as lists, block quotes, callouts, tables, and panels. The ninth template, Images, provides you with examples of how to insert and arrange images in your module. The 10th template, Accordions, is one that can be used to display content in collapsible sections. You can choose to have up to 6 accordion sections. It should be noted that if you choose one set of accordions, you must delete everything that came before and after it. To set up your accordion sections, type the heading into Accordion Title and the content within the text box underneath. When students view this module, they will be able to click the chevron next to the heading to expand the box and read its content. The 11th template, Tabs, acts similarly to the Accordions template. The main difference is that this template uses tabs, which you may prefer, since students will not need to scroll down the page. These templates are easy to use, and the instructions provided will help you build a fully designed page. Once you have chosen your template and have applied your text and materials properly, click on Save and Close. If you have any questions regarding Brightspace modules and their templates, please contact the Kingsborough Center for E-Learning.